Hey Agam, you inquired about watches with a butterfly lock. Here are our top 3 recommendations that not only look great but are also easy to wear and secure. First is the Tissot Couturier Chronograph Watch. It features a sleek silver dial and luminescent hands with Superluminova for easy readability. This watch boasts a Swiss quartz movement for precise timekeeping and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal for durability. The adjustable leather strap ensures comfort and a perfect fit. Next is the Citizen Eco Drive brown dial watch. This analog watch features a sleek brown leather strap that beautifully complements the brown dial, protected by durable sapphire glass. Powered by an Eco Drive technology, it ensures reliable movement and comes with a water resistance of 100 meters. The 3-hand design and special features like an alarm and dual time functionality enhance its appeal. Lastly, the Seiko Presage brown dial watch. It features a durable stainless steel case and a stylish brown leather band. The watch showcases an automatic movement with manual winding and includes a date display for added functionality. With a water resistance of 50 meters and a box-shaped hardlex glass, this timepiece combines style and practicality. Comment below what you want us to cover next.